it's your girl Layla, and I'm back with another banger. Happy Wednesday to everyone. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend, even though we gotta stay inside and we can't go nowhere, we can't do nothing, we can't see nobody. We're blessed to be alive. We're blessed to be We're blessed to be breathing. As y'all can see by the title, I will be doing another review, but this is a special type of review today. But before I get into that video, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you waiting on. You better go ahead and click that big red subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you do know when your girl, that's me, posts her next videos. So I'm gonna get straight into today's video. It's kind of special for me, at least. A good friend of mine, she owns a company and she does all these baked goods. If you guys can remember, I had the most awesome 2-layered purple chocolate birthday cake I could have ever asked for. It's always been a dream. I was able to get one of those, and my girl Marina, as you can see right here, she made them and she did a awesome job. She also made a cake for my best friend's birthday, which was also thebomb.com. So she had come up with these cute little, you know, chocolate ideas. Well, I chose chocolate and I'm obsessed with chocolate, so I decided to order Nutella and chocolate, and I thought, hey, why not show you guys so that y'all can go ahead and order them for yourselves. I will show you the box without hopefully tipping them over. So she got this cute little box here. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all right here. Yeah, you see that? It says Cakering, delicious cakes and catering. Awesome sauce. She got Nutella and chocolate. Oh my god, they literally smell so delicious. I know there's a surprise on the inside, but I'm not going to open it because I do not want to ruin it. I'm gonna boil some hot water, and after we boil the hot water, I'm going to place the chocolate ball into my mug that I have right here. I hope it's big enough to fit. Isn't this the cutest little mug? It's my favorite. And then we're gonna pour hot water, maybe a little bit of milk in there. We're gonna stir it around. I will try either the Nutella or the chocolate, and I will have somebody else try the opposite of what I'm trying, so we can both give a review. Even though, listen to me, I've had many things from Marina and I have no complaints. I don't think I'll ever have any complaints because she just know what she doing when she put her foot in all this. Anyways, I'm gonna stop babbling. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to turn on the kettle and get mine ready to taste. I have my mug here. I've placed it inside. I did change the mug because this one was a little bit too small to fit the whole thing in there. But I'm going to taste. It smells so good. It's not. And I have an obsession with Nutella, so this is going to be awesome. While we wait for the water to boil, I will just stand here. I have somebody else tasting the double chocolate to tell me what they think, but they ain't getting another double chocolate. The next one they get will be a Nutella. In the description box down below, you'll be able to find her Instagram page. You'll be able to find her YouTube channel. Y'all better go over there and subscribe to her channel as well. And you can also find her official website for her catering and her delicious cakes company. I will leave them here as well so y'all can check it out. And it sounds like the water is boiling, so I will be right back when I am ready to pour the water into the mug. I added a little bit of milk in mine, but as you can see, there's marshmallows and the chocolate itself is starting to completely dissolve. It smells amazing. Smells amazing. The double chocolate is getting ready. I'm going to go ahead and taste my Nutella. It might be too hot. Watch me go bun off my mouth. Oh! 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 Oh my gosh, and the marshmallow. I got little baby marshmallows. Oh snap! I just had a little spoonful of the double chocolate, and that double chocolate be hitting. I couldn't tell you which one I like more because again, I really do love, I love Nutella. I love the little hazelnut taste in it. And it's not too sweet, but it's not too you know, soft. Marina, if you guys want to see how she makes her chocolate bombs, y'all can go head over to her YouTube page, again, which is right here. And if you would like to order her, her chocolate bombs, I don't know how much longer she will be making them for, but I feel like she can make them upon request. Y'all can head over to her website and go ahead and order yours before it's too late. I'm gonna hit y'all back when I'm done drinking this Nutella hot chocolate. Ooh, that went down my chest too hot. Whew. Alright you guys, so as I was enjoying my Nutella chocolate bomb, I thought I won't be finished this right now. So I'm going to end off this video by again repeating, y'all go check out all of her social media, websites, what have you down below and put your orders in. She does a bomb job and she's on time with everything she does. Make sure y'all go hit her up. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Make sure that you guys like this video and also make sure you share with your friends, your family, your auntie, your uncle, your mommy, your daddy, everybody you got in your circle. And I will see y'all next time. Peace.